Hey friends, what if I told you you are overpaying for flights and it's not your fault? Airlines are using sneaky tricks to keep their profits high, while you're stuck paying way more than you should. But today, I'm exposing insider flight hacks that can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars on airfare. And trust me, Hack 4 is so powerful, airlines don't want you to know it even exists, so make sure you watch till the end. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer, these aren't your typical use incognito mode tips that everyone's already heard about. These are legitimate insider strategies that I've personally used to save over $30,000 on flights in the past 3 years alone. Let's jump right in. The first secret involves something called hidden city ticketing, and it's absolutely mind-blowing how few people know about this. Imagine you want to fly to Chicago, but instead of booking a direct flight, you book a flight to Detroit with a layover in Chicago and just get off there. Here's the crazy part. This can sometimes be 50% cheaper than booking a direct flight to Chicago. Why? Because airlines use complex pricing strategies based on competition and demand, not actual distance. But here's the catch, and this is important. You can only do this with carry-on luggage, and you can't check bags. Also, you need to be the kind of person who's okay with a little travel creativity. Airlines hate this trick so much that they've actually tried to sue websites that promote it. The second hack is what I call the 24-hour loophole, and it's completely legal. Many people don't know this, but in the United States, federal law requires airlines to give you a full refund if you cancel within 24 hours of booking, as long as your flight is at least 7 days away. Here's how to use this to your advantage. When you see a great deal, book it immediately. Don't wait to check with your boss or your travel buddy. Book it right away. You have 24 hours to figure out the details. If it doesn't work out, you get a full refund. I've used this trick countless times, especially when I spot mistake fares. Last month, I found a business class ticket to Paris for $900, normally $4,000. I booked it instantly and then sorted out my vacation days afterward. The third secret is something I discovered by accident, and it involves gate agents' commission systems. You know those people checking carry-on sizes at the gate? Well, at some airlines, they actually get paid extra for every bag they make you check. Here's how to beat this system. First, never hang around the gate area too early. Gate agents are actively looking for oversized bags before boarding starts. Instead, wait nearby but out of sight until boarding begins. Second, if your bag is slightly oversized, keep it on your far side when walking past the gate agent. They're usually positioned on one side, so this simple trick can help you avoid unnecessary checks. Now, for the game-changer hack number 4, what I call the reverse destination search. This one saved me $800 on my last trip, and I can't believe more people don't use it. Instead of searching for specific cities, search for entire regions. For example, if you want to go to Paris, search for flights to Europe instead. Often you can find flights to nearby cities for hundreds less, and then take a cheap local flight or train to your actual destination. I recently wanted to go to Rome, but flights were $1,200. Instead, I flew to Milan for $400 and took a $30 train to Rome. Total savings, $770. Plus, I got to see Milan as a bonus. Bonus tips. Google Flights Master Hack. Before you go, let me share some insider Google Flights tricks that will save you hundreds on any flight, even if you don't get that upgrade. These are the secrets I use to book all my flights. The multi-airport trick. Don't just search from your home airport. Click the plus sign in the Where From bar and add nearby airports. Sometimes flying from a different airport can save you hundreds. Totally worth the drive. The Explore tab secret. Here's a game changer. Instead of deciding where to go first, use Google Flights Explore tab to find the cheapest destinations from your airports. I've found flights to Hawaii for under $500 this way. After selecting your flight, click Date Grid in the top right. It shows you how much you can save by adjusting your dates slightly. I've seen $400 differences just by shifting a flight by 1 day. The one-way booking trick. Sometimes booking 2 separate one-way tickets on different airlines is cheaper than a round trip. Always compare both options. This trick alone has saved my viewers thousands. Download the Travel Arrow extension for Chrome. It instantly compares prices across all major booking sites with one click. I've seen it find flights $300 plus cheaper than Google Flights' own results. Here's a mind-blowing secret. Airlines sometimes upgrade passengers for free, but they won't tell you how to increase your chances. Dress business casual looking. Sharp increases your chances of an upgrade. Be polite and ask at the check-in counter. If first class is undersold, airlines often bump up passengers for free. Use frequent flyer status perks. Even if you don't travel often, you can sometimes buy elite status for cheap, making you a prime candidate for upgrades. The next one is what airline insiders call strategic volunteering. When a flight is oversold in economy, airlines often move economy passengers to first class to make room. But here's the key. You need to know before you get to the airport if your flight is oversold. Here's my insider trick. Call the airline 24 hours before your flight and ask how full the flight is. If they say it's oversold, arrive extra early and immediately volunteer to be bumped. And this is crucial. Make your volunteer offer conditional on getting a confirmed first-class seat on the next flight. Pro tip, don't take the first compensation offer. Airlines typically start low, but if they're desperate, they'll increase the voucher amount. I've seen passengers get not only a free first-class upgrade, but also $500, $1,000 in flight vouchers using this method. You're essentially getting paid to fly in first class. Now the next one is a secret that's revolutionizing the upgrade game: hidden bidding programs. Many airlines now have systems where you can bid on first-class upgrades. The key is knowing when and how much to bid. Log into your booking 48 hours before your flight and check for upgrade bidding options. Here's the trick. While most passengers bid high, thinking that's their only chance, I've seen successful bids as low as $50 for first-class upgrades. The sweet spot is usually about 20 to 30% of the regular upgrade price. Pro tip, combine this with the Alliance membership strategy. Join all the programs within one alliance and check bidding options across different partner airlines. Sometimes, the same upgrade is cheaper through a partner airline system, the Y Up Fare hack. This is something even most airline employees don't know about. When booking your flight, look for fare codes that start with Y or B. These are special economy fares that often automatically upgrade to first class. The trick is finding them. Most booking sites don't show these codes, but I'll show you exactly where to look. Open your airline's website and use their advanced search option. Look for fare classes or fare codes, and specifically search for Y or B class availability. These fares might look more expensive than the cheapest economy ticket, but they're usually much cheaper than regular first class fares and come with a near guaranteed upgrade. Last but not least, Secret combines strategic airport timing with smart booking days. Airlines typically finalize their upgrade list exactly 60 minutes before departure. But here's what most people don't know. If you check in exactly 61 minutes before the flight, you can sometimes jump ahead in the upgrade queue. Bonus tip, the day you fly matters hugely for upgrade chances. Wednesday, and Saturday flights typically have more upgrade availability because they're less crowded. Avoid Fridays and Sundays. These flights are usually packed, making upgrades nearly impossible. These strategies have helped thousands of my viewers get upgraded to first class, and they can work for you too. Remember, the key is being strategic and prepared. Random upgrades rarely happen anymore. Now, you know how to outsmart their system and keep more money in your pocket. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider travel secrets.